Good afternoon. Like 61% of other Virginians, I'm an Anthem customer. And last year, I had the unfortunate reality of having it's actually my mother's fault. I got a year older, so my insurance rates went up 17%. That was my pre-existing condition. And then, when I applied to have my insurance changed to a lower level, it was determined that I had to go through the entire process. And they found something in my wife that they said might require surgery in the future, and therefore raised the rates. This year, the rates went up 20%. Now, the Affordable Care Act would prevent this sort of action. Insurance companies are essentially private governments, and it is the Attorney General's responsibility to control private governments because he works for us as citizens of the state of Virginia. The health care law, when it comes into being, and it must, will prevent this sort of profit grabbing by insurance companies. It'll prevent the concept of pre-existing conditions in our children and in those of us who are also getting older. If the Attorney General would attempt to push through a law that would raise taxes by 20%, it would not happen. And yet he is defending those who have done exactly that. Insurance should be caring for health care. Health care is a right. It is the responsibility of government to assure that all Virginians are well. It's the Commonwealth of Virginia, and the Commonweal, from all the way back to Thomas Jefferson, said that we care for the wellness of our citizens, not our corporations. The Attorney General's responsibility is to assure that there is strong regulation over those who would take profit from those who are ill. Healthcare is not a commodity, never should be. It is a right to all Virginians, and it is our responsibility to assure that all Virginians have the protection from insurance company profit-taking and instead have health care for all at every level. Thank you.